What are we doing today?
Look at these. We got no tread left. So, we got some new tread. We're gonna try to put them on with these two Harbor Freight units. We'll see which one works better. So that took about 3 minutes to assemble. Ready to go. Next. Alright, so this one only took about 2 minutes to assemble, but I'm not sure how to use it, so let's figure that out. So what you doing there?
We're letting the air out.
Step one, remove the air. It helps to have the right tool.
Son of a
Noise!
There we go.
You broke the bead!
We did the thing.
You turn around and get to the other side. So this one works. Kinda. Right?
Pretty good, I'd say.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright.
Once you know what you're doing.
What also did help that we still had some air in there.
Yeah.
Okay, why don't I go ahead and stand here.
I think I'm on the thing.
On the what?
On the metal piece?
Oh yeah?
You don't think so?
I don't know. Nope. Okay.
See, we're back on that metal thing.
Are we though?
I'm pretty sure.
Nope. Got her. Oh, got her. Here you guys. Bead's broken. So that was not as easy.
Well, that takes some getting used to there. Now the fun part.
That's the fun part.
Trying to get the wheel off.
That's the fun. Maybe we mount it in here now.
How do you mount it in there?
I don't know. Okay, that'll work.
I don't know if that'll work because then this thing doesn't work.
This is good.
Yeah, we're
This doesn't work very well for these.
this in there.
I don't know, too tight.
What?
Okay.
Yeah, the tightest.
Well, it's done
All
by
the
hand.
paint just came off.
See, it's not gonna do it.
That has nothing to do with me.
Tire's going back on. Let's get her lubed up. Right here. This hole. Let me see this.
It wasn't quick enough for you?
No. Okay.
Wait, we want to do the other side?
I'll do it. Make sure you get inside that lip too. Here we go. Here we go. Nice. Okay.
You gotta keep your side down.
Okay.
We can get in it.
trying to leave this time.
Right.
See? Lube.
Lube did it.
Lube did it.
Do it turn around.
What do you mean?
Flip it over.
No.
You gonna lube it again?
I mean, it might help, but I think it'll be okay.
Wanna get my big stick in there?
Yeah, hold on, I gotta get my little one in first. Here we go. Oh, you're not in, you're not in, you're not in, you're not in. Okay, here.
Look at that.
It's like we know what we're doing now.
What was that, 5 minutes compared to?
No, that was not even 5 minutes.
Not even 5 minutes.
First one, hour and a half. Second one. Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, lube it.
What was the point of that?
So that we're ready. Not just sitting along down f***ing around. So I'm gonna put this on and then you're gonna lube the others. You ready?
Okay. Oh, auto lube. Pressure trapper.
Strap it.
You made yourself bleed.
Yep.
Well, I don't go that far.
You got something to say?
Yeah.
I'd like to hear it.
Oh, that was fun.
You almost need both, I'd say.
The small bead breaker is far superior at breaking a bead.
Yeah, that one breaks beads nicely. This
She'll have-
one, with some modifications, you can make it work. At least for ATV wheels and tires. Takes some getting used to, though. Overall,
This is only a
probably just pay someone to do it. Well, now that we have them.
2-hour experience, I would say.
Yep. Oh, and bolt that to something. Anything, really. The ground, ideally. That was awful.
Yeah, it probably says that in the instructions.
Yeah, number one rule, bolt it down. We didn't. Now it's bent. It's good metal though. Bends really easy. So what you like to see out of your metals?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what else to say.
Let's go rip.
Let her rip.